Can you explain the June 30th deadline that was given to companies, what was required by that date, and how that differs versus when the rule goes into effect on September 28th?
The June 30th deadline was really created because there's a tremendous amount of work that goes in to getting this information, making sure companies are up onto our IQ platform and have the ability to send in the information we're required and for us to do the review. The June 30th deadline was created by us for the sole purpose of being able to say that we know hand on heart that we would have ample time to be able to review those applications and get everybody up and running before the compliance date comes into effect on September 28th. I want to be clear that September 28th is a date that the SEC has put out there. That's not a date that OTC Markets has put out there. So anything that has not been reviewed, cleared, and marked as current on that date, irrespective of whether or not you called us the day before or you sent an application the week before, that company will be coming off if they don't meet the standard. So we created that June 30th standard so we knew that if we had it before June 30th, we would have ample time so that companies would not be impacted by our inability to get it done in a timely manner. That's all that June 30th was. Now, there's nothing to say that if you submit it on July 15th, we won't get to it before the September 28th deadline, but we cannot guarantee it. And that was the point of June 30th.
The reason that we put the date so early is so that not only we have time to review the applications, but that then companies have time to actually post their disclosure for us to then review. And I remind you of this to implore you that once you have access to IQ, please do not wait till the end of September to post your disclosure. Please do it as early as possible so that you and we can all be assured that you've met the compliance requirements for September 28th.